If you want to know what do follow links and how to use them effectively to enhance your website's SEO and search engine rankings, you are in the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, which is lecture 39, we will be diving deep into the topic of do follow links and understanding how to use them effectively in the world of SEO. Do follow links are a critical aspect of your website's backlink profile, and knowing how to leverage them can significantly impact your search engine rankings. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's start by defining what do follow links are. A do follow link is a type of hyperlink that passes authority and link juice from one web page to another. These links allow search engine crawlers to follow them and count them as a vote of confidence for the linked page. In simpler terms, do follow links are like a recommendation or endorsement that can positively impact a web page's search engine ranking. Now, let's delve into how do follow links work. When a reputable and authoritative website links to your page using a do follow link, it transfers a portion of its SEO authority to your page. Got it? Search engines see these links as valuable and use them to determine the trustworthiness and relevance of your content. The more high quality do follow links your website has, the better its chances of ranking well in search engine results. Got it? Let's illustrate the concept with some examples. Example 1. Imagine you run a technology blog and a renowned tech news website links to one of your articles with a do follow link. This link boosts your article's authority and helps it rank higher in search results for relevant keywords. Example 2. A popular fitness influencer website links to your fitness product page using a do follow link. This endorsement enhances your product page's credibility and visibility in search engine rankings. Got it? Now that we understand what do follow links are and how they work, let's explore strategies for using them effectively. First, we have build high quality backlinks. Focus on acquiring do follow links from reputable and authoritative websites within your niche. Second, we have create exceptional content. Producing high quality, valuable content naturally attracts do follow link from other websites. Next, we have guest blogging. Write guest posts for authoritative websites in your industry and include do follow links to your relevant pages. Content outreach. Reach out to other content creators and request them to link to your content when it adds value to their articles. Got it? So, in conclusion, we can say that do follow links are a vital part of your website's SEO strategy, as they pass authority and improve search engine rankings. By actively seeking and effectively using do follow links, you can enhance your website's online visibility and credibility. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 39 where we demystified do follow links and how to use them effectively in SEO. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.